As far as we know, no dead bodies under here. Welcome back to What's Inside. I am Dan. This is Lincoln. Wait, you're Lincoln or that's Lincoln?
I'm Lincoln.
They're both Lincolns behind us. We're at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., and we're gonna take you guys on an adventure to a place that not very many people ever get to go. The bottom of the Lincoln Memorial.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
Look at that view out there.
So right where we are right now, we're gonna be under the floor. So up there is the actual Lincoln statue, but we're not gonna go up there today. We are gonna go through this door to a secret underground basement.
Okay, let's go.
It was just raining outside, like a lot.
We just had a giant rainstorm hit us as we're walking in here, but I guess that's irrelevant. And we're in. This is the Lincoln Memorial. We're in. We just walked in the stairs. Look at this place.
Under the Lincoln Memorial right now.
We're gonna take you through here, show you the basement, and tell you a few things that are really interesting about this spot. A question that a lot of you might have is, well, where is Abraham Lincoln? Where is his casket? Where is he buried? Well, this is a memorial. It's not necessarily the place that he was buried. He's actually buried in Illinois, in the land of Lincoln. As far as we know, no dead bodies under here. So this long hallway that we just walked around to, this is the west side of the monument. The back side of where Lincoln would be. Lincoln would be right up in there. Right now we're gonna go down and under and try to find the spot that's directly below where Abraham Lincoln sits. So there's Lincoln right above me. The actual Lincoln that's sitting up above us is 19 feet tall just as he sits. They say,
crazy.
That is crazy, but they estimate that if he stood up, he would be 38 feet tall. Right here in this area, they're all walking, taking pictures of Abraham Lincoln. They have no idea that this giant chamber exists underneath. And right now, we are the only people under here. And there's probably hundreds of tourists just sitting right up there right now. And you have to think about this. I mean, this is back in like 1914 to 1922. Like, how many people did it take to build this stuff? Like, it's a marvel in engineering. This right here, this is like 1920s graffiti. This art is from 100 years ago, and they just left it up here. And I think that's super cool that they preserved it and left it up.
This one right here looks like the Monopoly Man.
One question is, what does the echo like? Echo! Echo! I wonder what it would look like with all the lights off. That was a weird noise. Now we're walking to where the platform of the stairs are. You can actually see where the first set of steps comes down, and then you have the first platform. Over on this side, you can even see some of the old steps that they've replaced, and they put the new steps on over the top of them. You'll hear water that's dripping through. Over the years, water has been able to seep through a little bit, and there's a lot of calcium inside of this concrete. Calcium plus water builds something that's very similar to what you see inside of a cave, which are called stalactites. And stalactites are the ones that come from the top of the ceiling and come down. Super cool. Next time you're walking on the platform at the Lincoln Memorial, you can tell somebody, oh, there's a basement underneath here, and you know it's full of concrete, and because of the calcium, there's stalactites. Now you know. A lot of DC is actually a swamp. The water table is pretty low, so they do have people that come in and they destroy the bacteria so it doesn't eat away at the concrete. Sometimes you don't realize how much goes into preserving them and taking care of them. I want my kids, like 3 generations from now, to be able to go out in America and go to the parks.
People don't talk that way anymore.
It's cool to see that the Interior Department right now is maintaining all of these things and getting it ready for the future. It's not cheap, but it's important to do. Look at that, there's some rusty old nails coming through there, right next to these stalactites. Oh!
I knew it.
It's a lot softer than I thought. Oh, mine broke.
See, you scared me.
Okay, so.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Oh, what are you throwing at the camera? Oh, it broke in half. You broke your baby.
No, I
High five. There's your calcium buildup. Where are some other unique places that you would like to see inside of or underneath? Thank you to Secretary Zinke and his team at the Interior Department for allowing us this awesome access.
This trip was so much fun.
Okay, so this is the door that goes out. And to show you, like you guys saw, there's a little bit of water seeping down, just a little bit. Check out what's really happening outside right now.
Oh, man. Oh, my gosh.
I don't want to go out there.
Look how wet it is. Lightning!
Has this awesome top hat, and then there's another guy. There's so many guys with mustaches.
So what do you think came first? Monopoly guy or this guy? Did Milton Brothers come and see this and rip it off and make Monopoly?
Yes.
We think it's probably true. Okay. We got some guys up here. Check out all these guys. Who are these guys?